Guys, we're in my room. We're going to do another toy review. And ignore the mess. My room's kind of messy because today was supposed to be my day off, but I have to go to work because 2 people quit. Yep. So, but I'm off tomorrow, so tomorrow I'll be cleaning my room and I'll make some videos. Okay, so because I got some lots of cool stuff. Here we go. Alrighty, let me set my camera up and we'll get started. Okay, love my Madonna shirt. Yay, Madonna. Okay. This is a balloon. Bubiloons. Balloons. Not sure if I'm saying it right. It is, it's made by IMC Toys. Okay. So, this is what it looks like. These are little characters on it. Okay. It's for 3 and up. And comes from Barcelona, Spain. Okay. So, let me unwrap it and we'll get to it, okay? Okay, I know nothing about these, so this is what it looks like. And ta-da! Let's see, okay. Well, okay. So, okay. So apparently I'm supposed to, according to the directions, take this off, it is, and whoops, hold on. Okay, knock everything down in the process of trying to do this. Okay, this little thing comes out. This is like a cotton candy, I guess. Yeah. Oh, and this is the little balloon thing. Got them at Walmart. I think I paid like $3. Look how cute. It's kind of like a smash 'em, almost. Okay. And then alrighty. And let's see which one I got. I got Win. W-E-N. Win. Okay. It's kind of cute. Look. Oh. Okay, guys. Let me see if I can get this sit up better. Okay. So, I want to thank you guys for watching my videos, liking, sharing, commenting, all that good stuff. And I appreciate you all. I really do. Okay? And I will see you in the next video. Okay? Thank you so much. Love you all. Bye.